Hello, my name is Heinz from Biotec Italy. Today we're going to introduce Cryoliposculpt, which is an advanced fat loss technology from Europe. We are very proud that we can introduce this to Vietnam, and Her&Me Beauty Center in Saigon are the first one who owns this advanced technology in Vietnam. What is Cryoliposculpt treatment actually? Cryoliposculpt is the latest generation fat reduction procedure that reduces the need for extensive liposuction and fat removal operation. Cryoliposculpt uses a non-invasive procedure that consists in overheating and then freezing the fat cells to higher the process of lipolysis. An applicator remits radio frequency and in sequence consists in non-freezing temperature the skin. The result is the breakdown of the fat cells and that are flushed out in a natural way from your body. Cryoliposculpt is designed to enable safe reduction of fat tissues, nerves, muscles and bones without the damage from these parts. So what happens actually during the Cryoliposculpt treatment? First, a protective membrane is placed on the area to be treated. The area to be treated, up to 4 areas in the same session, is held in positions between 2 plates, so suction and isolated from the surrounding tissue. The vacuum effect increases blood flow in the treated area. In the tissue, in contact with the cooling plates, the fat cells are getting frozen. A sequence of modulated, indifferently shaped pulse currents pass through the tissue between the 2 plates. When the treatment ends, the apidose tissue is gradually disposed of in a natural way through phagocytosis. So which areas are commonly treated? The abdomen, hips, the so-called love handles, inner and outer 6, arm, back, under chin, adiposity, double chin, and areas where skin elasticity need to be restored. So how many treatments are needed actually? Depending on the area to be treated and individual needs, 3 to 6 treatments may be necessary. There should be a time interval of at least 30 days between treatments on the same area. The treatment can be used on patients of all skin types and all ages. What can be expected during the treatment? At first, when the handpiece is placed on the area to be treated, one may feel a slight discomfort after controlled cooling on the tissue and the contraction effect generated by the modulated currents. One may feel a slight burning and tingling sensation. Then the treated area is numb and cold. And when the applicator is removed, the treated area may feel frozen to the touch. A light massage quickly reduces this sensation. What can be expected after treatment? A few days after treatment, the treated fat cells begin a process called apoptosis and begin to shrink in number. These cells are then slowly absorbed by the body within a few months. Some undesirable effects may occur after treatment. Reddening that usually lasts about 30 to 60 minutes. Temporary bruising, swelling, decreased sensitivity and temporary numbness of the treated area and a slight tingling. So the last question what you have is maybe how safe and effective is this treatment? Scientific studies show that fat reduction varies between 25 and 40% and the patient satisfaction rate is between 80 and 90%. It is non-invasive and there's no need for needles, scalps or incision. In addition, it does not require anesthesia or medication and there's no recovery time for you. So you ask yourself, when are the results visible? Clinical studies have shown that the results are generally visible after about 45 days. For final results, it may take between 8 weeks and 6 months.